Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge in Taylorsville, Utah. If you're looking to transform your kitchen in Taylorsville, Utah, EagleRidge is the go-to choice for expert remodeling and renovation services. Our team provides high-quality craftsmanship tailored to your needs, whether you're updating your kitchen with custom cabinetry, countertops, or a complete remodel. From planning to execution, we focus on your satisfaction and a seamless experience from start to finish. Choosing EagleRidge for your kitchen remodeling project in Taylorsville ensures that you're working with a team that values precision, durability, and creativity. With years of experience in the industry, we are committed to transforming your space into a functional and beautiful kitchen. Whether you're looking for modern updates or a more traditional touch, we offer customized solutions to meet your needs. Start your journey toward a better kitchen today. Call EagleRidge for a free estimate and consultation, and let us bring your dream kitchen to life. Call us at 801-784-1457